Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm showing to you how you can use WhatsApp on your personal computer or on your laptop. Okay, first open your search bar on your computer and search for store. Okay, after this you will get Microsoft Store and enter your Microsoft Store and search here for WhatsApp. After this you will get a WhatsApp application, and here you will get get buttons instead of open buttons. Okay, after this click on get button, download will be start for you, and after downloading, installation will be start for you, and after the installation you will get open button here. Okay, now you can to open your WhatsApp from here, and also you can to open your WhatsApp from your application. Okay, just click on WhatsApp. After this you will get this page. Click just on get started. Okay, here we have three options. Open your WhatsApp and your mobile. After this just click on three dots and select linked device and setting, and after this, okay, now point your phone to the screen of the computer computer, and capture the code. Okay, like how? Okay, now I will show to you how you can to do this. First I want to show my mobile to yours. Okay, we will have mobile. Okay, now open first your mobile here and open your WhatsApp. After this just click on three dots. After this just click on link device. Okay, now just again click on link device. After this use mobile data options, and I will unlock my mobile by fingerprint. Okay, now remove this page, and now point your mobile to your computer screen. Okay, downloading reset message. Okay, you will get your message and your computer after this. Okay, we will see now how this work. Okay, here WhatsApp successfully installed on my computer. Here I can to send and receive message to everyone, and I can to call to someone. Okay, video and audio and everything I want to do here I can. Now also you can change your account setting, and here you can also to log out from your account. By this way you can to use your WhatsApp and your computer.